Hello guys, it's Enderboy 2007 here, I made a mistake. Hello guys, it's EnderJohn 2007 with another second video for you. I know it's been difficult for you, but I've rather played this game, but it's a really game like Temple Run, but it's really brilliant. Beautiful graphics, and it says double tap for a hoverboard after when you go through the trains. Oh, look at this. Let me see if I can get a new high score. Because guys, you've been rebellious with me. I've been playing this game for years. About 2 years maybe. This is good. Getting a new high score. So guys, if you want me to go where other goes, you can have it. And I used to play a good game, Angry Grand Run, and it's a bit good than Subway Surfers, but it's really beautiful. Awesome graphics in the game. Let's just get a hoverboard again. Oh, buddy. I know. Oh, 1,000 points in one run, mission complete as well, is awesome. Guys, we're just being very careful, going around. That's it, Drake. Keep up the good work, buddy. I like this. It's a beautiful game with graphics in it. Good. We're nearly getting there. Good boy, Drake. Good. And there we get some coins here as well. So guys, this is good to me. Let's jump over the... I think I was really going to miss that there. Tell me guys what your favourite game is. Tell me in the comment section down below. Wow, awesome graphics in this game. Oh, I stumbled again. Yay! We completed, and we've got daily challenge complete, mission accomplished. So, oh, let me back in. Oh, that was a wanton 1,000 coins, and we got a new high score of 3,430. Very cool. There we go. 5 multiplayer with buddy. Also, you can buy characters around here. There's Elf Tricky, there's even Buddy, Nicola, and all new characters, and there's even hoverboards. So, let's just upgrade our hoverboards. And there we go, we have 4. Let's give this game another go and see what it's like. If you guys want to play this game, you can ask me in the comments. I asked that once, and actually this game is very simple. You have to... Oh my god! That was brilliant there. Good boy, buddy. You've been playing games like this since I was start playing this game, but it's rebellious with me, and it's a bit ridiculous in the other games you get playing. See, when I played another kid on Subway Surf, I crashed and I couldn't do anything that I could. I couldn't get up and I keep dying. This is good. Hoverboards no crashing. Very cool. Mission master complete. It's brilliant how the way games go. Pick up 2 super sneakers. Yay! Mission accomplished. Hopefully I get this new high score hunting again. Keep it up, the good work. Oh, a star. Good. We got a star as well. Good. I think I was going to crash it there. So guys, we nearly crashed. Oh, these trains are very hard. And I know guys you've been... This is cool. Getting a new high score, hunting on the sheep. And that would really be a good thing. Oh, there we go, we get a star. Just as we wanted. I know guys you've been a bit ridiculous with me, as I've been hardly playing this game over a month. Oh, another one. Another mission complete. Wow, we're going to get the best high score in this game. Not only, yay, 323. Oh, come on. Oh. Actually, it was a good score, and we've got a new high score of 8,279. Very awesome. You start with. Well guys, there's a lot of cool games to play with. If you guys want to see more other games, you can start smashing that like button and smashing the subscribe button. If you want to see another game, which will be online pretty soon, I'll see you all later.